welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing this recipe with you all, which I made over the last weekend and I absolutely loved it. You have to definitely give this a try. The ingredients and its measurements are right on the screen. You can make a note of it. Heat some oil in a pan and add chopped garlic cloves to it. Saute the garlic cloves until brown and then add boiled potatoes. Once the potatoes are combined with garlic, we'll add the dry ingredients. First, add some salt and then chili powder. Mix it well. Add a cup of boiled green peas and mix that as well. Squeeze some lemon juice into it now. Saute it on medium flame for about 5 minutes and then transfer it into a bowl. Sprinkle pasta seasoning as much as you want. Trust me, this tastes amazing. Add fresh cream and some more pasta seasoning just before you serve and enjoy. Here are some more videos from my channel. I make videos about bullet journaling and food recipes. If that's your interest, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.